Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to keep your iPhone camera lens clean using an all-new iOS 26 feature. In iOS 26, Apple has introduced a pretty handy new feature that notifies you when your iPhone's camera lens needs cleaning. Notably, this feature had existed on Android devices for years, so finally it has arrived on iOS as well. Whenever your iPhone's camera is active, iOS 26 checks the incoming light for signs of reduced clarity or smudging that could indicate a dirty lens. And when triggered, an alert will appear suggesting you clean your camera lens to improve image quality. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. And then you have to scroll down and tap Camera to proceed. And finally, you have to enable the toggle located next to Lens Cleaning Hints and you are all set. Once activated, your iPhone will monitor the image quality and display a notification in the Camera app when it detects that your rear camera lens could benefit from cleaning. It's also worth highlighting that this all-new feature joins another camera-related change in iOS 26, a completely redesigned camera app interface that includes a new minimalist navigation bar. So that's how you can make sure your iPhone camera lens stays clean and gives you crystal clear shots using this handy iOS 26 feature. So no more blurry photos or smudged videos, just sharp, professional quality results every time. Now give it a try and see the difference for yourself, and don't forget to explore other hidden iOS 26 tools that make your iPhone experience even better. And I'll catch you up in the next one.